Let's look at this sequence. It's actually turning into a series because they want us to sum the terms. So let's use that formula. If I let n be 1, that gives me 1 over 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 1/2. And I'm going to do plus because of that word sum. If I let n be 2, that's 1/2 minus 2 plus 1, 1/3. And n equal 3, that's 1/3 minus 1/4. And if you look, and that keeps on going up until you have 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. I'm trying to get you to see something. You see how those cancel? The first one here cancels with the last one there. This. Of course, this is going to cancel with the one previous. So what you're left with in this series is 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. This is the same thing as that. I would just tuck it away in my memory until you take the EA or GMAT and forget about it. All right, so what does our clue 1 say? Clue 1 is something k greater than 10. K greater than 10. So let k be 11. So that's 1 minus 1 over 12, and that's 11 over 12. Now, let's do some quick division. 11 divided by 12, and that's going to go, we know it's going to be 0.9. 9 times 2 is 18. 108, 2. So this is going to be greater than 0.9. So that works, and it's always going to work. You could try another number if you wanted to. You know, if you let k be 100, k is 100, that's 1 minus 1 over 101. And that's going to be 100 over 101. And you can just tell without doing division, that's very close to 1, which is greater than 0.9. And if I look at clue 2, so clue 1 works, put a big check mark. K is less than 19. Well, 11, we know it works for 11, but what if we let k be 1? If k equals 1, I get 1 minus 1 over 2, which is 1/2 or 0.5, and that's not greater than 0.9. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So you cross it out, and your answer is A. Just try to remember that. All right.